Hi guys and welcome again to my channel. In today's video we will be making a phone stand at home. It is 3 in 1 and it can act as a phone stand, a cooler for phone, a power bank too. It can give us solution of these problems. So now the top part is completed. Now we will be working on the bottom part. Here I have taken a MDF board piece. Then I have sticked a metal piece on it. Here are two nails and here are also two nails. I have used these things to make the MDF board heavy and resist the weight of the phone. So now I have also made the side parts. These can be sticked here and one here and one here. Then I have also made one more piece. The length of both the pieces are same. So now just we will be doing the wiring. Now I will be fitting all the components on this board and then I will be showing you how they are fitted and we will be doing the connections. Now I have done all the connection. Here I have used a switch, here a 3.7 volt battery, here a power bank module, here I have used the DC booster module. So now I have sticked the top part to it. The wire is coming out from here and it is properly made. I have sticked it using instant glue. Now we will be coming on to the top part. Here is the top part. We have to stick it to this like this. So we will be using 2 more pieces of MDA board. I will just stick the pieces here and here and then attach it to the board. So now the phone stand is ready. Here the fan is connected. The wire is coming out from here and it is going directly to the fan. Here is the switch for owning it. You can see the fan is working. Here is the power bank and here the phone can easily come. So now I will be just doing some color to it and make it beautiful. So now our phone stand is fully ready. I have painted it in black color and it is looking good. The fan is also working. Here is the switch for the here is the power bank, and we can also adjust its neck according to our needs. So now let's see its demo. So now I have placed the phone here. Here is the charging cable and I have connected it to the power bank module. Just I will now insert it and you can see it is charging the phone. You can see the phone is charging. Also red light is glowing here, which means that it is charging the phone. Now I will be showing you the cooling which is given by the fan. You can see the paper bits are down now, but when I will on the switch, you can see the paper bits has start moving in forward direction, which means that this fan is providing sufficient air. We can just keep our phone on it and then we can on the fan. The fan will provide sufficient cooling to the processor of the phone. We can put the phone like this and then on the switch. We can also move the neck of this phone stand in upward direction, in down direction, in up direction like this. We can place it according to our need. Like this. So I hope you have liked the phone stand and the video too. If you have liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you are not on our channel, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.